Coco, you can see here, Coco, we have a lot of new friends. New friends here. Can you say hello to them? Hello. Wow, very friendly, right? Okay. Now, Coco, as you can see here, Coco, we have pretty ladies. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Very sweet, okay? Coco say hi to all ladies. Yeah, very sweet. Okay, now Coco, over here we have a lot of kids, children, guys also. How about you give them a happy hello? Happy hello, yeah? Very happy. Happy hello from Coco. So happy today, right on. Okay, Coco, right now I have one question for you. Okay, how do you feel today, Coco? Do you feel good or not? Oh, good. Yeah, Coco feel good. I feel good too. All of you guys feel good too, yeah? How Coco today, Coco? If you feel good, how about you show them your happy expression from your heart? Coco just laughing. Tahu ya?